welcome back. In this lecture, we are going to learn about auto load input variables with auto.tfvar file extensions. Okay, so the reference subfolder is going to be v7 input variables assign with auto tfvar. So let's go inside that and then put ready. Okay, cd//v7. Okay, and if you see, there are no files here, so we'll copy and then start working on them. So we will create a file named with extension as auto.tfvars. Okay, so example like web.auto.tfvars. With this extension, whatever may be in this file name, means like whatever the variables present in defined inside these variables, those will be auto loaded during Terraform plan or Terraform apply. Okay, so you have seen that whenever you have something called terraform.tfvars, it auto loads. Anything with web.tfvars or app.tfvars, you need to use with var file argument, okay, other names. But if you add auto in between them, so web.auto.tfvars, so when you use the extension as auto.tfvars, so you really don't need to provide the var file argument. You can directly say Terraform plan and then it should load when it is web.auto.tfvars. So let's learn this and then do a Terraform plan and then implement it practically. So let's go back to our Visual Studio Code and let's copy C1, C2, C3, C4 and then terraform.tfvars from here. Okay, or even if you want, you can copy the web.tfvars also. Copy and then paste it here. Okay, so you have C1, C2, C3, C4 and then terraform.tfvars and web.tfvars. So if you have web.tfvars, you need to provide the -var file argument in your Terraform plan or apply command. But here, so you just change or rename this to web.auto.tfvars. Okay, so whatever is present inside this web.auto.tfvars, if you just run the Terraform plan, it should load. Means like it is equivalent to same terraform.tfvars only. So how terraform.tfvars auto loaded when you run the Terraform plan, in the same way web.auto.tfvars also will auto load automatically. So let's test this now. So we are here and we have the files defined here, C1, C2, C3, C4, terraform.tfvars and web.auto.tfvars. So what we need to do is we'll run the Terraform init to download the provider. So once the provider is downloaded, we'll run the Terraform validate to ensure that there are no issues from template perspective, and then we'll also run the Terraform plan now. So now Terraform plan should output the instance type as T3 large. So let's try this. Okay, we are not providing any var file argument for web.auto.tfvars, so it should auto load and then provide the value for us. Okay, so let's go here and if you go to instance type, it is T3 large. So if you have doubt, so just change it to X large and clear the stuff and run Terraform plan one more time to see what it loads. So it should load the T3.X large. So let's go up and then verify the same thing now. So it is instance type T3 X large. So that's all. So which confirms that using the extension auto.tfvars with whatever the name in front of it, so you really don't need to provide the var file argument for the plan or apply commands. Okay, so this completes the practical demo of auto load input variables with auto.tfvar file extensions. So in our next lecture, we'll learn about some complex type constructors like lists and then maps. So I'll see you in the next lecture. Until then, bye bye. Thank you.